Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Quad Boss Elite, and today is going to be a short quick video on the Ford Freestyle, and today we're going to be replacing the dash storage box right on top of our climate control center. The old one is completely busted, so we're going to rip that out, put in the new one. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so we are on the climate control radio area. Above we have a storage unit box up here, and as you can tell, it is completely, that's supposed to be together, so it is completely busted from the previous owner. So we're gonna go ahead and rip this bad boy out and go ahead and put our newer used one in. So without further ado, you're gonna go ahead and gently peel back your climate control bezel. You're gonna peel this off. It's held in by like 6 or 7 clips. Just be gentle, make sure you don't break them because you want to keep them all together. So we'll gently peel this off and I'll show you the next step. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so once you have your bezel out, you can just set it to the side. When you do peel it off, there is the airbag sensor wire. It has one of these push connectors, so just push that in. Next step is we're going to go ahead and take a 8mm socket, take out this bolt, and take out this bolt. Then this will be free to pop out. It's held in by 2 push connectors in the back, kind of just like right here on the newer one. So you just have to pry that out a little bit, and then we can go ahead and put in our new one. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so we took the old one out and we put the new one in. We go ahead and tightened up our 7mm nuts right here. So we're going to go ahead and put our bezel back in, and we'll go ahead and give it a try. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we got our radio bezel back in. We'll go ahead and give this button a try. That is exactly what I wanted. The other one obviously did not do that since the lid was not attached anymore. That was a pretty simple, easy fix. So yeah, we got it all fixed. Works perfectly, just the way I want it to be. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes today's video on the dash storage box and the Ford Freestyle. It was a quick and easy one. I hope this helped you guys out if yours is broken just like mine. So I'm happy to get that fixed. This video worked for you guys. If it did, please give this video a like. If you have not already, subscribe to Quad Boss Elite for more to come, not only in the Ford Freestyle, but all of the fun toys we have around the house. So guys, we'll catch you on the next one.